Another super scoop in Sushant's death probe on Times Now. It's been nearly 2 months now that Sushant's family has been waiting for justice, and Times Now has been reporting relentlessly to ensure justice for Sushant Singh Rajput. And now Times Now's Arunil Sadadekar, our colleague, spoke to the ambulance attendant whose testimony raises several questions. Times Now spoke to the man who saw Sushant's body. Ambulance attendant discloses that everything looked suspicious and it looked like someone had hurt him before. Listen in.
पहले भी सुसाइड वाली बॉडी देखते होंगे ना, ऐसे पंखे से लटकता है कोई।
सुसाइड वाली बॉडी रहेगी ना भाई, सुसाइड वाली बॉडी रहेगी ना।
हाँ,
सुसाइड वाली बॉडी पीली नहीं पड़ती।
पीली नहीं पड़ती?
हाँ, पीली नहीं पड़ती।
अच्छा, और ये जो तुम बोल रहे हो निशान का, वो भी नहीं होता है क्या सुसाइड वाली बॉडी में?
नहीं, निशान होगा ना, निशान में ना फांसी से लटकेगा, फांसी से जैसे लटकेगा ना।
हाँ,
जब तक फांसी से लटकेगा ना तो पूरा रस्सी भी रहेगी, इसकी ओढ़नी भी रहेगी लटकेली।
हाँ, हाँ,
बराबर।
हाँ,
हम लोग को इतना मालूम है।
हाँ, तो इसमें क्या लगा तुमको?
जब उसका पैर ऐसा मुड़ा है, फांसी लेगा तो आदमी पैर कैसे मुड़ जाएगा?
पैर भी मुड़ा हुआ था?
हाँ,
तो मतलब
पैर पे निशान नहीं आएगा? पैर पे निशान कैसे आया?
पैर पे भी निशान था?
तो पैर है ना, पैर ऐसा मुड़ा हुआ था, दोनों पैर उसका।
अच्छा,
दोनों पैर है ना उसका मुड़ा हुआ था, बरोबर। ऐसा पैर वैर मारते नहीं क्या अपन?
हाँ, हाँ, जब कोई अपने को ये करता था पैर मारते, बट उसमें तो फांसी लेने के टाइम पे भी आदमी पैर मारता ही रहेगा ना रे।
फांसी लेगा पैर तो मारेगा ना, पैर कैसा मुड़ गया उसका? तड़पेगा, बॉडी है ना तड़पेगी। फांसी लेना ना बॉडी तड़पेगी। अब फांसी लेने के बाद ना फेस बाहर आता है।
हाँ, तो इसमें नहीं आया था क्या?
फेस नहीं आया था ना भाई, फांसी लेने के टाइम फेस बाहर आता है।
तो फोटो में तो फेस दिख रहा था मेरे हिसाब से। तो
क्या
फोटो में फेस नहीं दिख रहा था क्या?
हाँ, फोटो में फेस था आपके?
नहीं, मैंने तो नहीं देखा यार
फेस। वो तो पकड़ो बॉडी को।
अच्छा, और वो निशान कहाँ पे था? नेक पे था, गले पे था?
हाँ, गले पे निशान है ना, निशान
हाँ,
पूरा आएगा गले पे। फांसी लेगा ना आदमी,
हाँ,
तो
पूरे गले पे आएगा। बराबर बोल रहे। हाँ,
फांसी जो रहेगा ना तो गले पे पूरा निशान आएगा।
हाँ,
इसमें फांसी लिया उसने,
इसमें लटका है ऐसा लग रहा है क्या देखो?
हाँ, फांसी रहेगा।
हाँ,
फांसी रहेगा ना तो पूरा लटकेला आदमी ना, लटकेला रहेगा और मुंह से फेस है ना ऐसा निकलते रहेगा। पूरा फेस है ना चिपकेला रहेगा। ऐसा है।
So the ambulance attendant who entered the room with the cops and saw Sushant's body very, very closely found everything suspicious in that room. He also suspects that someone may have hurt him before he was found dead. Let's also go across to our viewers. We've opened our phone lines. Do call us and tell us what you think about this crucial testimony coming in. Shraddha is joining us from Pune. Shraddha, good afternoon to you. Go ahead.
I wanted to know if... hello?
Yes, go ahead. I can hear you.
I wanted to just take an observation which I felt. If Priya is removing all the WhatsApp chat of what Sushant felt about Priyanka, then why will Sushant keep Priyanka as the nominee?
Absolutely. In fact, Sushant's other sister, Shweta, also released a video where he's talking about the bond that he shares with Priyanka. And the family definitely is at this point in time, alleging that this is all part of a slander campaign. Thank you very much, Shraddha, for calling us up. We also have Dr. Sarana joining us from Bengaluru. Go ahead. What do you think? What is your observation of what the attendant is describing?
Hello?
Yes, go ahead, ma'am.
Yeah. See, similar type of, incident happened in my family also quite a long back. Yes, say 3 to 4 years back, my sister was killed. And she was found hanged like this. The day Sushant, this thing has come on the TV screen, immediately I got a goosebump. I started crying. And when I saw the video leaked, you won't believe, I started crying thinking that similar kind of activity has happened.
Ma'am, I'm really sorry for your loss. I'm sorry for your loss, ma'am. You are a doctor yourself. Now, the attendant says that the body had turned yellow. The attendant also says that there was...
marks and all these things, similar kind of thing. My sister tongue also was not out. Her hands were not, kind of hanging the way it was. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can, and I'm saying I'm really sorry for your loss.
Yes.
You're a doctor
Similar
yourself,
kind of
and
body
do you
we
think what the attendant is saying could be a key account of what really happened to Sushant Singh Rajput? Because the attendant says that the body had turned yellow, ma'am. He also says that usually when somebody hangs themselves, there's foaming near their mouth, something that was not seen as far as Sushant is concerned.
Yes, it is.
All right, ma'am. I'm sorry for your loss, and I'm really sorry to put you through this again. That you were reminded of your sister when you saw Sushant Singh Rajput. Moving on, we have OP Swaminathan, another viewer joining us from Bengaluru. Mr. Swaminathan, what is your assessment? What do you think when you were getting all these crucial testimonies, and then the Mumbai police within minutes said that it was a case of suicide?
Swati, good afternoon. The ambulance attendant is just like an OT nurse who has got a lot of experience in handling such bodies. And he may not be wrong in his assessment that this is not a case of suicide. And the more they delay telling the truth, more people will go on speculating and giving stories. The other aspect is the DCP who was in Bandra, he refused to register the complaint on WhatsApp. And the police now claim that he was a regular offender. If he was a regular offender, why the hell was he posted in such a high net worth individual's area? Maybe for a hafta, or he might have paid the highest
Those
bid.
are some charges and counter charges doing the rounds, but for the moment, this particular testimony is very crucial. The investigators should look into this. Thank you very much, Mrs. Swaminathan. We also have Somashekar joining us from Bengaluru, another viewer. Go ahead, please. What are your thoughts?
Yeah. Good afternoon, madam. With so much of links coming out from the episode, we feel there is nexus between the Mumbai police and the people who are involved in this. And we clearly, as a layman, we clearly observe that it was not a suicide. Because many of the testimonies given by various witnesses clearly indicate that there is something which needs to be investigated. And I thank the Times now also for having taken up this job and investigating.
Of course, this account is coming in from the ambulance attendant. He is no expert, but he definitely is an expert in handling dead bodies. He must have seen it up close when he entered the room. And that's why we are saying the investigators need to look into this. The investigators need to speak to this man and, find out more. Moving on, we have Bharat joining us from Mumbai. Bharat, go ahead. What are your views?
Well, I must compliment you the way you are doing the exposures to this whole SSR case.
Thank you, sir.
And I'm very proud of you. Of course, there is something very fishy, which even a common sense a child can understand. But one thing I would like to request you is, why don't you look at his insurance policy and who is the nominee for that?
Well, at this point in time, the investigators are doing that. They are going through a whole lot of documents that are, maybe being provided by the family through his bank accounts and as well. So I'm sure something will come up. Thank you very much for joining us, Bharat. Anusha is joining us from Bhubaneswar. Anusha, go ahead.
Yeah, hi. I would like to first congratulate Times Now for all the active involvement in SSR.
Thank you, Anusha. Go ahead.
Ambulance attendant who was mentioning this discrepancies and all. So I think we should take his testimony very seriously because they are the people who actually...
Anusha, I'm sorry, there's some disturbance in the audio, but from what I could hear, you said that these testimonies are very crucial, and I agree with that. Thank you very much for calling us. Arun is joining us from Bengaluru. Arun, go ahead.
Okay, now, first of all, congratulations. The Times Now and the other media channels are doing a great job bringing out exposés which the previous existing, let's say, investigators kind of overlooked. Now, it's very simple. Anybody with common sense, I've seen clips of Sushant Singh Rajput's room where he was found hanging. Now, the bed is around 4 feet away from the place where he was found hanging. Okay? His body had turned yellow. I just saw that. Was he administered some kind of drug? He died of asphyxia. Was he smothered to death? It is not only due to hanging. And Sushant Singh Rajput is around 6 feet tall. What I can see from the images on the screen and a couple of his movies which I watched. Okay. Now the height of the, let's say, cloth where he was found hanging and the floor, the distance between is just 6 feet. So his legs would have touched the ground. And the fan, the hook of the fan and the bed were around 4 or 5 feet apart. Now, if he had tied himself to cloth and jumped off the bed, the weight of his body would have, probably broken his neck.
Absolutely.
Now,
of course, these observations and analysis now coming to the fore question why is it that the Mumbai police did not look into this? Because as far as the reason for the death is concerned, the postmortem confirms asphyxia, but the testimonies raise several serious questions. Let's listen to that conversation once again with the ambulance attendant.
पहले भी सुसाइड वाली बॉडी देखते होंगे ना, ऐसे पंखे से लटकता है कोई.
सुसाइड वाली बॉडी रहेगी ना भाई, सुसाइड वाली बॉडी रहेगी ना. सुसाइड वाली बॉडी पीली नहीं पड़ती.
पीली नहीं पड़ती?
हाँ, पीली नहीं पड़ती.
अच्छा, और ये जो तुम बोल रहे हो निशान का, वो भी नहीं होता है क्या सुसाइड वाली बॉडी में?
नहीं, निशान होगा ना. निशान में ना फांसी से लटकेगा, फांसी से जैसे लटकेगा ना, जब तक फांसी से लटकेगा ना, तो पूरा रस्सी भी रहेगी, इसकी ओढ़नी भी रहेगी लटकेली. बराबर. हम लोग को इतना मालूम है.
तो इसमें क्या लगा तुमको?
जब उसका पैर ऐसा मुड़ा है, फांसी लेगा तो आदमी पैर कैसे मुड़ जाएगा?
पैर भी मुड़ा हुआ था.
हाँ.
तो मतलब
पैर पे निशान नहीं आएगा? पैर पे निशान कैसे आया?
पैर पे भी निशान था.
तो पैर है ना, पैर ऐसा मुड़ा हुआ था, दोनों पैर उसका.
अच्छा,
दोनों पैर है ना उसका मुड़ा हुआ था. बरोबर. ऐसा पैर वैर मारते नहीं क्या अपन?
हाँ. जब कोई अपने को ये कहता था पैर मारते, बट उसमें तो फांसी लेने के टाइम पे आदमी पैर मारता ही रहेगा ना. रे
फांसी लेगा पैर तो मारेगा ना. पैर कैसा मुड़ गया उसका? तड़पेगा, बॉडी है ना तड़पेगी. फांसी लेना में बॉडी तड़पेगी. अब फांसी लेने के बाद ना फेस बाहर आता है.
हाँ, तो इसमें नहीं आया था क्या?
फेस नहीं आया था ना भाई. फांसी लेने के टाइम फेस बाहर आता है.
तो फोटो में तो फेस दिख रहा था मेरे हिसाब से. तो
क्या
फोटो में फेस नहीं दिख रहा था क्या?
हाँ, फोटो में फेस था आपके?
नहीं, मैंने तो नहीं देखा यार
फेस. वो तो पकड़ो बॉडी को.
अच्छा, और वो निशान कहाँ पे था? नेक पे था, गले पे था?
हाँ, गले पे निशान है ना. निशान पूरा आएगा गले पे. फांसी लेगा ना आदमी,
पूरे गले पे आएगा. बराबर बोल रहे. हाँ,
फांसी जो रहेगा ना तो गले पे पूरा निशान आएगा.
हाँ,
इसमें फांसी लिया उसने.
इसमें लटका ऐसा लग रहा है क्या देखो?
हाँ, फांसी रहेगा.
हाँ,
फांसी रहेगा ना तो पूरा लटकेला आदमी ना, लटकेला रहेगा और मुंह से फेस है ना ऐसा निकलते रहेगा. पूरा फेस है ना चिपकेला रहेगा. ऐसा है.
This testimony of the ambulance attendant raises several serious questions on the way this investigation was carried out by Mumbai police. We're taking a short break, but we'll continue to focus on this angle on the other side as well.